Great price on villa located in Naples Heritage. Golf membership included. You'll love that villas live like a single-family home without all the maintenance. 2-bedroom plus enclosed den, 2 full bath, 2-car garage. Previous owner took exceptional care of property. Villa has newer impact windows. Crown molding is found throughout main living areas and primary bath. Tile floors are found throughout all areas of property except bedrooms. Kitchen has updated white cabinets and quartz countertops. Kitchen has breakfast room/eat-in kitchen. Dining and living room are open concept. Enclosed den serves a flex space, used as den, office, and/or third bedroom. Bedrooms are split for added privacy. Primary suite looks out to golf course, water, and preserve. Primary bath has had updates to include dual sink vanity with granite countertop, walk-in shower with newer floor-to-ceiling custom tile, frameless glass door and glass wall. Primary bath also provides a separate soaking tub and spacious wall and closet. Guest bedroom and guest bath can be closed off with pocket door for privacy. Backsliders in main living area open to both covered and screened lanai. Beautiful view of golf course, water and preserve from living room and back lanai. Front entry also offers a screened lanai. Garage floor recently epoxied. Naples Heritage is a beautifully landscaped, gated, bundled golf community situated on 550 acres of pristine lakes and preserves. The 18-hole golf course, putting green, thriving range, renovated clubhouse west/pro shop, resort-style pool with cabana, 6 true tennis courts, pickleball courts, bocce ball and fitness center are all part of the Naples Heritage lifestyle. Located just minute from downtown Naples and beaches.